What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porous Unboxings, as you know. And I'm going to be doing my Q&A for you guys today. So, let's get started. Well, as you know, that I just watched SmackDown. So, I will be talking about that today. Let's get these questions out of here. Okay. One from my friend Getty, two from my friend Getty, actually. And yes, guys, this game is not gonna be here anymore in a couple of weeks. I'm getting the new 2K game, so yeah. Only a couple more weeks with this piece of crap. Yeah, I know what you're gonna write in the comments. And then why are you still playing it? But no, because I like wrestling games. So, but besides that, this is from my friend Getty. So, rate your 3 favorite managers. Wait, rate these 3 favorite managers. Sherry with Shawn Michaels. Sensational Sherry. Oh, God. Miss Elizabeth with Macho Man. Hey, if Macho Man can get in the Hall of Fame, well, why can't Miss Elizabeth? I don't get that. But let's see this. Okay, like this. I'm gonna play with one hand. or China. Okay, so it's gonna go Miss Elizabeth, China, and Sensational Sherry for me, because I really don't know what Sensational Sherry did, but I know what she did in 1996. So besides that, she's like number 3. Because I like China better. And shout out to my friend Michael. This is on a Friday, so it is his birthday. So happy birthday to you, man. A big 22. So I don't get copyrighted. I didn't know my TV was that loud, so sorry, guys. But I'm just gonna make it. No. I'm just gonna make this. And then he says Roman Reigns, Seth Rollins, Jake Hager, Sasha Banks, and Bayley were the 4 overrated superstars. Name one more to that list. Alexa, what does overrated mean?
Overrated is a form of the verb overrate, which is usually defined as to rate or appraise too highly, overestimate.
Overrated, that gives him too much credit, is John Cena. Or he used to be overrated, but I still like him a lot. His other question was, it wasn't really a question. What are your pickups? What about this, baby? Ah! I got this for $16, guys. And it's supposed to be $60. And yes, it comes with the insert. And oh yeah, and it smells like smoke too. Yep, still does, but it is clean, guys. It is clean. No scratches on it or anything. But it still smells like smoke, but not Corona, but just by smelling this disc. But I'm sure it plays fine. Still, you have the Rock versus Brock match, so I cannot wait to pop this in to watch this. It's supposed to be one of the best SummerSlams ever. Yes, guys, we are back, baby. TV 14. But that'll be later. But and my other pickup is this from Getty himself. Horror show with a gold or with a bronze AJ Styles card. But I don't need an autograph. You guys already know I have an AJ Styles autograph right here. So, yeah, that is very cool to have. I am very glad my dad got that for me. So, did I already forget who was in this Fatal 4-Way match? Yes, I did. And then my friend says, who do you think will win at Clash of Champions, and who do you think will be Roman's opponent? Now, that is what I wanted to tell you guys. Jey Uso, baby! Dude, I cannot be happier for that. I've been a fan of his for a long time. Now I'm just trying to figure out who was in that Fatal 4-Way. Sheamus, okay. Got it. And because Big E was supposed to be a part of it, but he got injured thanks to Sheamus. So screw you, Sheamus. But I met you, so but props to you. I kind of like your heel run. I kind of don't. But yeah, Roman versus Jey Uso. You already know Roman Reigns is going to win, but if Jey Uso wins, it will be phenomenal. But he also said, who do you think will win at Clash of Champions versus Randy or Drew? I really don't care at this point. Well, I don't care at this point. That's not... I care, but they'll just like do another Drew match because they'll build this up so Edge can return and take it from Orton. And he also said, did you meet Mark Henry? Marcos. The proof is right here in all my videos. there we are. Dude, did you know I just wanted to do this? Like this. Yeah. Like this. And then he'll do the same thing, but I forgot to tell him that. So we just got 2 fists. Dude, look, I think I'm wearing my WrestleMania 32 shirt. So. But guys, you should really go meet Mark Henry. He is the nicest guy I ever met. And I thought Sheamus was. And he also signed my encyclopedia book. But I don't have that with me. I guess I can go grab it real quick, guys. Just stay there for a minute. Book from in here. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Right here, guys. Mark Henry's signature right there. Right there, Marcos. Proof. Right here. He's such a nice guy to meet. Although, I would love to meet my favorite wrestler, Rey Mysterio. But I never see him, so... But I wish they came out with but yeah. Yeah. So that is the end, and guys, if I want to meet Randy Orton. Again, if you guys don't believe me, got that. But you know who I also want to meet? That I think Nick. No. It's it's the Undertaker. I actually want to meet the Undertaker so bad, and just have him sign right here. So, yeah. Put down in the comments if you guys want your question to be answered, and yeah, guys, that will be my Q&A for today. And you guys have been a great you guys have been a great audience throughout all my videos. So I just want to say that we are so close to 100 subscribers. We're at 85 right now. So just bump up that number just a little bit more, people, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video, because as you all know, my videos are always undisputed. Read it, learn it, take it. Bye, guys.